Oh, look at that.
Ooh, here
we
we
have
go.
made it to the Tahquamenon River, and we're about to dump in. This is right where we went This is right where we went snowmobiling a couple months ago when mine broke down and I was chilling in the hot tub by myself while these boys were out riding.
Yeah, it was a great time.
We have jet skis, and we're gonna jet ski up the river to that cabin.
Yeah.
Or at least
we're gonna
try
to the lower falls of the Tahquamenon.
Allegedly. We're gonna go to the cabin, fill up with gas, and then go the rest of the way to the falls.
Yeah. So we got a little problem here because we got one of these jet skis, this one here, needs to be out of order. So we're gonna have to dump them in and then put that one back on the trailer. But it shouldn't be too big of a problem. So we should probably get at it because it's looking like it's gonna rain and they got a ways to go.
Hey, look, this is gonna be a great day. It's gonna be so much fun.
Oh, they probably have a YouTube channel or something. They think they're cool. All right.
Please leave.
We'll see you when we're dumping into the boat launch.
It's cold.
Chris, remember you said there was no wind? Yeah, good thing we got the windsock on. It's so windy.
Yeah, I should be sitting still there for a while.
All right, so now that we got these ones off, this one's going back on, and it'll just be them three going up the river. But we do have an extra passenger for our ride tomorrow. Oh boy.
Alright, send that one up here. Watch those GoPros, man. Watch the GoPros. There's the. Oh my. Ew, they were sitting there. Oh, come on. What's going on? It's like the first time. Yeah, who put the GoPros on the camera?
Send it this way. Who decided to back it up more? Send me.
What are we doing here? You take that and that.
First time dumping in. That was a cool noise.
Alright, you're good.
Yeah. Nice and watery. It's fine, they're waterproof. It's meant to do that. I think that's like the first 4-play Sea-Doo trailer that I've seen. You don't see that often. It's a custom deal. Custom. It's been a good trailer for us. We've put a lot of stuff on there.
We use it.
Yeah. We've had everything from jet skis on there to snowmobiles to a side-by-side to quads and dirt bikes. We got everything on there. All right, so we got all the jet skis in, and now we have to go get fuel for them because they're not going to be able to make it all the way up the river by themselves. So I'm going to be at kind of the 1/3 spot or whatever to get them some more fuel. But we didn't fuel up beforehand, so I got to go to the gas station now and go get it because we're good at this game. So while they're going up the river, I will be going up the road and getting gas for them. So enjoy the ride. Let's hit it.
Load it up. It's really shallow. Oh look, another bridge. Thing's long.
It's all metal.
Good grief.
Look at the trees growing into it.
There's stuff growing through the bottom. That's insane. Wonder how long it's been here.
A while.
Well, you don't say. How many boats are there going to be along this river? This one's all wood. Wonder what they use these things for.
I do not understand. We have one boat down there, and now we have another boat right here. What in the world? A 4-cylinder with 2 spark plugs each cylinder. Man, can you imagine just be chilling here in a wooden boat and having that sucker just cranking out power right between your legs with that drive shaft? We're literally like what? Maybe like 500 feet down the river and we already found 2 abandoned boats? What is going on? All right, we're gonna go find more maybe. We'll be back.
Well, we're in the great north here where gas is really expensive. It's about $4.50 per gallon, so I hope that the guys really like it, because this is gonna be a pretty penny. Should have filled it up back below the bridge. I think I can just, oh, there we go. Yeah, we should have filled it up back where it wasn't so expensive. But here we are. Enough of this boring stuff. Let's get back to the water.
That could have been a lot better. So we thought we were going to be like halfway through our gas reserves already, but if you look down here, we're rocking 7 out of 8 bars. That's what, 0.875?
Yeah.
87%, 87.5% full still. That's pretty good numbers for only being like this far. So we might not even need Cam until the way back, which we're hoping for, but he's gonna have to stay there for a while if we're gonna come on the way back. Chris is pulling some sick tricks while we wait for Cam.
They took the bunks, so I guess this will have to do.
Tie her up. She'll be all right.
Good thing there's no waves
Or current.
or current.
There's like 0 current on this river. I'm not even sure if it's a river. Topped off. Oh, and ready to rip again. What'd you say? We're like just under halfway? About a third of the way? Not bad. We got probably another 15-20 minute ride there.
That rock over there.
Oh no.
Oh, this one, that one's shallow.
All right, so we're probably about as close as we can get because it's getting pretty shallow.
I just hit like 4 times right there.
Oh, jeez. The water is so dark you can't really see anything. But it's also raining, which does not make for a very fun trip.
We should just maybe call Cam and Savannah, tell them to turn around and get out of here.
Probably a good idea. We might be able to outrun the storm.
That's what I'm thinking.
We're currently weaving our way through all these rocks. I see a big one there. Trying to find a way through so we can get a little closer to the falls. There's another big one down there. We might just walk them. I may have sucked up some weeds. You probably sucked up weeds. I think I did.
I don't know how I'm gonna get them out.
Dude, it's so strong. Yeah. Yeah. We might just have to float that way and hit the gas. Yeah, we gotta go.
Is there anything down there?
I can't tell. I can't see anything. Yeah, let's just float down a ways and see what happens. I got a lot of weeds.
Not clearing out?
No.
Need a hand?
Possibly. I may require assistance. Wow. There's a big one in there.
I don't know where to put mine.
Let me try one more time like this. I almost had it. Oh, nope. All right. Just want to reach in there and grab them.
We're gonna be recording this.
Wow.
Sorry, Chris. Yeah, dude, you got the whole.
Good grief. Hold on.
Yep, go ahead. That should be enough. We should be able to chop them up and spit them out now.
All right. All cleared out, but now the rain's coming hard. There we go. Ow. Rain hurts. Ow. Rain got right in my eye. I don't like that. So somehow, I'm still sitting well above half a tank,
Are you though?
but this fool decided to run out.
No, I'm still seeing half.
I was gonna say, there's no way you're out of gas. Mine goes through way more than yours does.
I don't know. I can't tell.
My eyes hurt.
So do mine. So mine.
I really wish I brought my sunglasses with me.
Yeah, I was like, why? I always do. Why did I not this trip?
I saw how cloudy it was and I was like, I'm not gonna need them. What am I gonna need those for? I didn't think about rain.
Well, we made it pretty much all the way to Lower Falls. It got so shallow, it got pretty rocky, and then we all sucked up weeds.
Yeah, that was nightmare.
So I wouldn't know about any of this because I was on my way there and then I was told don't go there because it's bad and it's raining, just like it is here. And so I left and turned around and came back, got some sweet drone shots of the boys, but I was hoping to get some drone shots at the falls, but that didn't quite turn out. But apparently it wasn't even needed.
It was still fun.
It was a good ride. It was
a little bit cold, but
it was a spectacular ride.
The rain hurts on the eyes.
Oh, very bad. I didn't bring glasses, and getting pelted at raindrops at 60 miles an hour is no fun.
Hey,
Hey.
check out the merch site. We got some cool t-shirts. Links in the description.
All right, guys, we're going to continue on this trip, and we're going to go to Munising.
All right, this is part 1 of our trip. We are on our way to Munising right now. We need a big burger and some fries because we are starving.
Yeah.
We only had a little bit of French toast at Jake's house at 6 in the morning, and it's now 3:30. So we need some food. We got to go get our house. We'll see you guys later. Like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you next week.